As you wake up after doing the gelatin trick, you'll notice a subtle but profound shift in your body. Your energy levels are more balanced, your mood is lighter, and you feel more grounded. It's as if your body has been gently tuned, like an instrument being fine-tuned by a master musician. The gelatin trick works its way through your system, nourishing your gut and calming your mind, allowing you to tackle the day with a sense of clarity and purpose. My friend, I've seen people who have been struggling with energy crashes and mood swings find a sense of balance and harmony after incorporating the gelatin trick into their daily routine. It's not about feeling hyper or jittery, but rather about finding a sense of calm and centeredness that stays with you throughout the day. The gelatin trick is a simple yet powerful tool that can help you achieve this balance, and it's something that you can easily do at home with just a few basic ingredients. If you're curious about how to get started with the gelatin trick, be sure to check out the link in the description below, where you'll find a comprehensive guide to help you on your journey. Also, take a look at the pinned comment for some valuable tips and insights from our community.